Right guys, back with another video. Today's video is a Friday. Well, it's not Friday technically now. I'm recording just after midnight, so it is not Friday anymore, but this is the Friday trading session, the 15th. Um, Today was a very interesting day. It was a good day for me, and I was really happy with it. Was it my best day? No, but it was a really nice day to have. I felt like I did trade pretty well today, give or take a little bit of wiggles. Um, I don't think it was a bad day. I'm pretty happy with it because I think I sort of put myself in a really shit spot, obviously, from um, the day before. Obviously, towards the end of the video, you'll see a caption of my week, my Top Step dashboard showing my weekly P&L. Obviously, highs, lows on the account, best day, worst day, average winning, average losing, and how many days I've traded over. I'm at 14 trading days now with a 79% winning day percentage, which is, considering the position I'm in the account, pretty awful. But but I mean, to me, a lot of people will be pretty upset with the position, but for me, I'm pretty happy. Um, I'm pretty happy with my trading. In a sense of, I am obviously not happy with how big my two of my three losers have been. They've been absolutely gigantic, wiping out at least usually 3 days, 3 4 days really, probably 4 days guarantee usually. Yeah, it's one of them where I'm not happy with that part, but there is a lot that I'm really happy with about my trading at the minute. Maybe not at the minute, but the way it's planning out and the way I can feel it playing out in my head and how it feels like it's going to be going um, in the long run. I feel really confident. That's just the best way I can put it. I feel like the last 2 weeks, it's just a case of quite literally just it's the easiest thing to say. It's the hardest thing to do, but just walking away. Like I have that first red day, accept the red day, accept the red trade, accept it. I wouldn't go back on. Once I take that first trade or so, I'm not gonna re-enter a trade. That's how I do it with winning days. I just have to literally replicate that with losing days, and my losing days will drastically drop off the face of the earth in a sense of they'll still be there, but they'll be 600, 400, 800, 300. All these sort of numbers will be the losing days I'm having, because the only reason they're becoming such big days is because I'm sitting there and trading and trading and trading and trading and trading, and it's never going to benefit me. And I've had a lot of talks about it over the last few days. I've read a lot of thinking about it, and it's like, man, I am in a position now where I feel like I really could be kicking on and starting to really like do well with trading, like really well. I feel like my ability to read the market is pretty much like, it's not obviously unbelievable. It's good enough to be profitable. My winning days, I don't sit there and overtrade when I have winning days. I have no issues when I have that first winning trade. I walk off and I'm done. That's me done for the day. That was my issue. I was having a little bit of start of this account and when I was in combine still, but I've really worked on that and got that gone. I just need to tighten up on my losing side now, and I feel like I'm gold. I feel like I'm. I mean, the last week would have been I think about $1,100 profit week, and this week would have been about $1,500 profit week had I not had those massive red days. So that's a lot of profit to give back, but it's also gives me a good idea of where I could be and where just a simple bit of walking away. Um, Obviously, the trade you've been seeing is going to play out in the background. I don't know how long the video is going to be, so I don't know if the trade's still playing out in the background. Obviously, today's trade was just um, it wasn't an amazing trade. I did take quite a lot of drawdown at one point. I think I took about $600, $500, which is obviously a lot, but I felt safe with it to a certain level. I did get a little bit not panicky because I knew if I did have a red day today again, it was going to mean I have to size back to one lot. That's what I was going at it with. I was going to be sizing back to one lot if I had a red day today. I did like my risk management on this trade was a lot better. Instead of adding two at the bottom, instead of adding two straight away, I did one and then one, which is obviously something that I wanted to do the day before. I thought I should have done the day before on my first trade, which I did today instead. Um, which I think probably meant the difference in me holding that trade and not holding that trade. I think I might have killed that trade just out of pure inability to hold a trade that long. 'Cause in real life, I had two lots down there. And I was down 25 points at almost 1 point from that point. Like that's $1,000. I don't know if I would have kept hold. I think I might have just killed that trade at the top, which I guess that's one of them things where obviously I didn't do it in the end. I've given myself back, over $2,300, almost $2,400 of drawdown again, which means I'm very comfortable to trade two contracts. I feel like with that, um, it's just one of them where it's one of them where I feel really good. I feel like I do need to take a little step away at the minute, which is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to obviously not be trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll go back into it Thursday and Friday, and hopefully take off some decent profit days, and just keep going with it. I feel like I'm in as much as my P&L is not amazing, and my two of my days have been absolutely shocking. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my trades. I'm still green on the account. Technically, I'm $72 green. It's not really something that I'm too happy with. But this week wasn't even a red week. Well, it was break even. I'm going to call it $42 loss on the week. It's break even to me. That's what I class that week as is break even. There's nothing else to it. Just break even. It, small loss maybe. It's just one of them where I feel really really good. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to keep random if I keep talking, so I'm probably going to end the video here. But I feel quite good with the trades, as I've said about 15 million times. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. If you guys enjoy the clip in the background, taking off a nice profit there of $580, I think. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all being well. I'm going to maybe put a video up during the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, somewhere around there, probably Tuesday, maybe Monday, we'll see. A little video of a few things with TraderBait and so on and so on. We have to see for that. And yeah, that'll be me not back until Thursday after that. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here. I don't know if this is just a black screen or if there's still a clip playing. If there is, enjoy the clip. If there's not, enjoy the black screen. And I'll see you guys all well next week. So.